Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're down here in Plano, Texas. We're going to show you an overview video of the all-new Klipsch Cinema 800 5.1 soundbar. All right, so we're out here. We've got in the customer's master bedroom. We've got a 55-inch Samsung 4K TV, and we've got the Klipsch Cinema 800 5.1 soundbar. So we've got the boxes right here. We've got the Cinema 800 Dolby Atmos soundbar. This will decode Dolby Atmos and do a virtual Dolby Atmos sound. We're using the Sanus SAS B1-B1 to attach the soundbar to the TV bracket, and the surround 3s from Klipsch. So that has the wireless rear speakers. The Cinema 800, or excuse me, yes, the Cinema 800 actually is a true 3.1 soundbar with a 10-inch wireless subwoofer, and you can get it with the surround 3s included or separately. So give you a little bit of a close-up here. We've got, of course, the Klipsch's horn-loaded tweeters. We got 3 of these actually. So we've got the woofer right here behind the grill. You can kind of see it with the light coming through. Nice cloth grill going all the way across, and a very large digital display. This is one of the largest on the market. Very clear. You can see we've got the digital input and the volume level. It's a very, very nice setup here, as you can see it clearly. And you can turn the display off if you'd like to, and it only shows up when you're adjusting the volume or the inputs. So, of course, we've got the other tweeter on this side with the other horn-loaded tweeter with the other woofer. In the center here, we have the other horn-loaded tweeter with a woofer on either side for the dedicated center channel. On the sides, we have removable wooden caps. These are the ebony end caps, and they also come in a walnut finish. Underneath the right end cap here, we have a service port as well as the wireless dongle port, which is where you place the wireless dongle and the pairing button for the wireless rear speakers. So this just has little pegs that go into the holes, and we can put that right back on. So those end caps are very easy to change out if you'd like to, depending on your decor. So using the Sanus SASB1, you can see how tight the soundbar is to the TV. We really like using these just because we don't have to put extra holes in the wall. We don't have to worry about additional leveling, settling, or anything like that. So the soundbar is really tight as it's going to get up to the TV here. They're really nice as well as if you wanted to have this against a mounted to a articulating TV mount, for example. It would be attached, and the soundbar would move with the TV. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the rear speakers here. So you can see one Klipsch surround 3 and the other one right there. So we've got those exactly where the customer wanted them mounted. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Mounted at the top of the headboard for the bed. They didn't want to take up any space on the nightstands. They just wanted them mounted right there for their room here. So they're all wooden cabinets, the same nice solid wooden cabinet that is on the soundbar. And on the back of the speaker, we've got a switch for left and right and the pair button there. So we're going to put it right back into the mount there. There we go. On the other side over here, we've got the 10-inch wireless subwoofer. Pairs automatically. However, there is a wireless button or a pair button on the back of this. On the back of the subwoofer, there's actually RCA in as well if you wanted to use this with a conventional subwoofer. And the soundbar actually even has one up on that where it has an additional subwoofer output. So you can pair this with it. So you can actually have this as a 5.2 system or a 3.2 system and have 2 subwoofers. Really nice options. It has optical in, has analog audio in, network as hardwired network as well as Wi-Fi, has 2 HDMI inputs plus eARC. You can have 8K video pass-through. Really nice options here. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick Dolby Atmos demo and show you the soundbar.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary again?
Engines are up and burning.
Opening main door to a sighted during this moment.
2 are away.
What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, it's all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy videos like this or projects with audio, video, networking, automation, whole home audio, anything like that, anything media related, please consider subscribing, show your support for our channel. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos as well, and give us a big thumbs up. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We can do full system design. We're authorized dealers for Klipsch, Sonos, all the products you see in our videos here as well. So buying products from us is like buying directly from the manufacturers. You get full manufacturer's warranty and everything else, just as if you bought it directly from the manufacturer. You just get our expertise and service to install everything as well. So again, 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Thanks, guys.